unveiling the art of authentic Thai green curry creation. Welcome to our culinary journey. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of Thai cuisine, focusing on the beloved green curry. In the heart of Thailand, this dish is celebrated for its balance of flavors. We're bringing those secrets into your kitchen. First, we'll explore the essential ingredients. Fresh green chilies, lemongrass, and galangal form the soul of our vibrant green paste. The art of pounding these ingredients in a mortar transports us back to traditional Thai kitchens, infusing our curry with authenticity. Next, we simmer coconut milk to perfection, patiently waiting for it to embrace the green paste, unfolding its creamy texture. Adding in choice vegetables and tender pieces of chicken, we watch as they soak up the flavors, becoming the stars of the dish. Finally, with each spoonful, we invite you to taste not just the harmony of spices, but a rich cultural heritage that's truly Thai.